Hi, I'm Croydon Fernandes. I'm a content creator and a co-founder at a media production company. Today I'll show you how to create QR codes, also known as quick response codes, using custom links inside of Adobe Express. It's a great technique for small business owners to use for their customers in order to connect, to reorder, or to shop from their website. Whether you sell on Amazon or Flipkart or your own store, having a QR code on any bit of packaging or branding or even your shirt, for example. It's a great way to get customers to directly access your product page through that one QR code. So let's get started. Head on to adobe.com/express, click on Get Started, and let's type in QR code. It's already showed up, so let's click on that. We will enter in a custom URL that we want. So this could be a payment link, a shopfront link. And here you can customize how you want your QR code. You can have it as per your brand colors, you could add in logos, etc. And from then on, you can just click on download, make sure it's in PNG. And there you have it. You've got your QR code. Now you can use some of these templates, or if you're like me, you'll try and personalize it yourself. I put my QR code down here, and let's say the image that I'm trying to push in is here. This is the clothing product that I want to showcase. And using the layers on the side, I can push the QR code on the top so that it shows up. I like this so far. I'm going to add in some text. Click on text. Let's add in my text out here. Summer collection. Duplicate that. Let's write in a call to action. Scan here to find out more. Let's resize this. That's cool. Now let's add an element like an arrow, for example. This one's pretty cool. Rotate this image by flipping it horizontally. There you go. Click on download. Click on download this image. And once again, you have the option of creating a flyer. You have the option of creating an Instagram square post. Adobe Express makes it that much easier for you as a small business owner to just get your content on different platforms as quickly and as easily as possible. Try Adobe Express today. If you liked this video and you found it useful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.